Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making juicy lotus root meatballs. Look at this, steaming hot, tender and glossy with sauce. I promise this dish will win over any dinner table. Here I've got some ground pork. To make it extra juicy, I'm adding a splash of ginger water, around 2 tablespoons. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 10 grams of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now use your hand to really mix this in. Squeeze it until the meat soaks up all those flavors. Set it aside to marinate. Next, let's prep the lotus root. Chop it finely, almost like little grains, and mix it right into the pork. Then add a bit of carrot for color, also minced. Toss in some chopped scallions. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to bind it all together. Keep mixing until it's nice and sticky. Slice up a few carrot rounds and lay them at the bottom of a steaming bowl. That way the meatballs won't stick. Now roll the mixture into little balls and place them neatly in the bowl. Perfect. We will steam this over cold water. Once the water comes to a boil, time for 15 minutes. While those steam, let's make a quick sauce. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 10 grams oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon potato starch, and 300 milliliters of water. Stir until smooth. Heat a little oil in the wok. Add some minced garlic and chopped red peppers. Sauté until fragrant. Then pour in that sauce mixture. Stir until it thickens into a glossy glaze. And we are done. Now the meatballs are ready. Look at that. Spoon the sauce right over the top. Sprinkle on some fresh scallions. And wow, what a beautiful dish. Bring this out at a holiday dinner and everyone will be impressed. Let me try one. The meat is so tender and you get that crisp, refreshing and sweetness from the lotus root in every bite. It's rich but light at the same time, perfect both for kids and grandparents. It's simple to make, so go ahead, try it. Hope you are gonna love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.